Jai Hind and good morning to all students. Saraswati Shikshu Kunj Bhagwala Bhusal, Standard 2nd, subject EVS, English medium, date 7 July 2020, day Tuesday, chapter number 6, KEEPING, keeping, HEALTHY, healthy, and CLEAN, clean. Keeping healthy and clean. So students, today we are going to have a story session. Yes, we are going to have a small story session. Okay? And that story is going to make you more inspired. Yes, inspired about what? For that, you have to listen to the story. So students, this is the story about an old man. Okay? He is 80 years old. Even though he looks very healthy. Why? Because of his daily routine. Right? Is it good? So, our today's story is about his daily routine. Okay? You can see here in the picture. Okay? This man is about 80 years old. Okay? Still he has a good health. Okay students, so this is the story about his daily routine. Okay? He wakes up early in the morning. Okay? He goes to park for walking, goes for washroom. After coming park, he goes for washroom, then he takes bath. After that, he takes a healthy breakfast, for example juice, fruits, etc. Then after that, he takes his lunch. Okay. Then in the evening, he goes for a walk again, and in the night, he takes his dinner. So this is his daily routine. He is 80 years old, right? Okay. Still he is looking very healthy because of his daily routine. He had never went in restaurant. Okay. He had never eaten any type of junk food, right? So for this, he remains always healthy. He looks very healthy. Okay, so students, what have you learned from this story? Okay, so we learned from this story about his daily routine. Now students, let's understand the hard words of chapter number 6, keeping healthy and clean, part 1. Okay, first hard word is HEALTHY, healthy. Healthy, what is the meaning of healthy? Healthy means a good. Okay, good, PHYSICAL, physical. Means you can see here our body. Okay, physical or mental, CONDITION condition. Okay, a good. Okay, see here. This word is very important. A good physical or mental condition. Okay. Number 2, HYGIENE, hygiene. Hygiene means practice. PRACTICE, practice. CONDUCTIVE, conductive. 2, MAINTAINING, maintaining. HEALTH, health, and PREVENTION, preventing disease. Okay, what is the meaning of hygiene? For practice. Okay, conductive to maintaining. Okay, we have to do it continuously to maintaining our physical health and preventing. Okay, this we have stopped preventing disease. Okay, so what is the meaning of hygiene? A practice conductive to maintaining health and preventing disease. Okay, now number 3, HABIT, habit. What is the meaning of habit, students? Okay, habit means a regular, TEND can say PRACTICE, practice. A regular tendency or practice that we do daily. Okay. For example, some students have good habits, some students have bad habits. For example, some students have writing fingernails every day. Okay, that is a bad habit. Some students have good habits. For example, some students do their homework regularly. Okay, that is a good habit. So, habit means a regular tendency, or you can say practice. Number 4, SLIEERS, slippers. Okay, I think you know the meaning of this word. Okay, a shoe. Okay, a shoe that is worn or cover our feet. Okay. Now students, see this picture. Okay, this is a fat boy. Now this boy is a thin boy. Okay, so tell me students, what is the difference between these two boys? Okay, one is fat and one is thin, right? So why does this boy is fat? Do you want to become like this boy? No, no one will like to become the boy like this. This boy is fat. Why? Because he eats junk food like burger, hot dog, etc. Okay, it's junk food like burger, hot dog, right? So that's why he becomes a fat boy. Okay, and this boy is fit and fine. Why? Because he does like exercise every day. Okay, he also takes a healthy breakfast. He does not eat junk food. Okay, he takes his lunch, dinner in time. So boys, this boy, that's why he is a very healthy boy, and this boy is a fat boy. Okay. So students, if you want to be a child like this, if you want to become a healthy boy, for that we have to follow some rules. Okay, see here. We have to wake up early in the morning. Then we have to get up from the bed. We have to take a shower. Okay, then we have to get dressed. We have to comb hair regularly. We have to take our breakfast regularly. We have to go for school regularly. Okay, then lunch. We have to take our lunch regularly. Okay, then dinner. Okay, have a dinner. Then you can watch TV, but a very less time. Okay, timing will be fixed. Okay, then you have to do your homework. Then go to bed in time. If you follow good habits, then you will become a healthy boy. Now students, if you want to be a healthy boy, for that we have to follow some rules. Okay, so for that let's learn our chapter number 6 in detail. How to keep our body clean. Okay. Eating good food helps us to be healthy. Means we have to cultivate good habits. Okay, we have to cultivate good habits. For example, if you wake up early in the morning, then we have to do exercise, yoga. Okay, we have to take healthy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, so good food it will help us to be healthy. Okay, cleanliness is important for good health. Okay, listen again. Cleanliness is important for good health. If you want good health, then what we have to follow? What we have to do? We have to clean ourselves every day. Okay, we have to take bath, brush our teeth. Okay, wear clean clothes. This type of habit we have to cultivate in our life. Okay. So hygiene help also. Cleanliness is important for good health. Okay. Now personal hygiene is keeping the body clean and following clean habits. Okay. Listen again. Personal hygiene, as I told you in hard words, what is the meaning of hygiene? Is keeping the body clean. Okay. Keeping the body clean and following the clean habits. Okay. Simple rules to keep your body clean. Here some rules are given. How to keep your body clean every day. First one is, you can see here this girl. What does she doing? Okay, she is brushing her teeth. So first one is, brush your teeth every day. What we have to do? We have to brush our teeth every day. If you don't brush your teeth every day, then what will happen? Your teeth will get cavity. Okay? You will suffer from cavity problem. So we have to brush our teeth. You have to brush your teeth every day. Then use a soft toothbrush. When you brush your teeth, what you have to do? Use a soft toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay? You have to brush. You have to use a soft toothbrush and toothpaste. Number 2, bath every day with soap and water. You can see in this picture. Okay? When you go for a bath, what you have to do? You have to use soap and water for taking bath. Number 3, wash your hand with soap and water before and after eating food. Okay? Before lunch and dinner. Okay, what you have to do? You have to wash your hand with soap and water. Next step, wash your hands with soap and water after using the toilet. Okay, you have to wash your hands with soap and water. You can also use a hand wash liquid for after using the toilet. Next step, cover your mouth with your handkerchief. Okay, when you sneeze or cough, okay, you have to cover your mouth, okay, with your handkerchief. This is a handkerchief. When you sneeze or cough, okay, when you sneeze or cough, you have to use your handkerchief to cover your mouth. Next step, wear clean clothes. Okay, every day you have to wear clean clothes. Why? Because it keeps us healthy. Next step, keep your fingernails short and clean. Keep your fingernails short and clean. Cut your nails regularly. If you don't cut the nails, then what will happen? If you eat your lunch or food, any type of food, then what will happen? It will goes into your stomach and you will get the trouble of stomach is. So cut your nails regularly. Next step, wear shoes or slippers when you are outdoors. When you go outside, what you have to do? Wear slipper or shoes. Okay, it covers your feet. So wear your shoes or slippers when you go outside. Okay students, now tell me, what did we learn in part 1? Yes, we learned about an old man who is having 80 years old, even though he looks very healthy. We also learned the hard words of part 1, okay, chapter number 6. We also learned about how to keep our body clean every day. The simple rules, okay, how to keep our body clean every day. So students, I hope you understood part 1, chapter 6, keeping healthy and clean. Okay, so remaining chapter we will learn in part Thank you.